CarriX is designed for the handling of large format tiles. It can be equipped with 8-inch no-bleeding manual suction cups. The alloy material is stronger and has greater load-bearing capacity. Optional heavy-duty electric suction cups Bravo Pro Lifter 20. It supports up to 170 kilograms vertically. Handle that can be extended. Release the rapid fasten screw to extend the reel easily. For 170110 and 170119 version, the reels can be extended from 4.39 to 7.87 feet. And for 170111 and 170120 version, the reels can be extended from 6.36 to 11.81 feet.